Hi everyone, this is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet and I'm back with more tutorials, and today we're gonna make this princess ballerina kind of cupcake tutorial you can use for both of the parties or even one cupcake for be special for them to sing happy birthday. Don't forget to subscribe the video before we start, and we're gonna start with the pink. You can even make it like a fake cupcake for like a happy birthday singing if you want to do with the clay or fondant, depends. I am just going to show you in a foam cupcake because I just wanted to share but don't want to make cupcake and need to eat it after Halloween and all this candy that we have here. So you can open the fondant not too thick or your clay, doesn't matter what you're using for. We're gonna make the same. I'm using this little circle wavy cookie cutter, and I'm gonna make as probably like 5 layers of that. So you keep cutting in and then you get all this excess and opening again until you have probably like 4 or 5 little layers. And now I'm just gonna open a little bit more with the heart cupcake. We're gonna cut 1 heart, and then we're gonna get the excess of cutting a straight line just to make the top part of the tutu or the princess dress. So I'm just gonna cut it right there. If you're making a bunch of them, like cutting them all together so you know then they're gonna look the same with a tool, a toothpick. And you're gonna see that I'm gonna change for a bunch of things for you guys to see. Then you don't need this tool to make the cupcake. You can make the marks on the dress with anything you have home. I will make with a toothpick now just to prove that you guys don't need to buy anything. And we're gonna make this marks in all the little pieces we cut to make the tutu of the dress even more cuter. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to add me on Instagram at #cupncakesgourmet. I have all the links here below, and I also have all the links for where you want to find your clay, some affiliate links if you guys want to buy Cricut and things like that. Then you can give you a little discount and can help me out as well. Everything is in the box and information down below. And here you can see that I squished the middle a little bit, and I'm gonna do that less and less and less until the layers come up. And I'm using the foam fake cupcake, just so I can show in the video. So I'm pushing in the middle so it opens up a little, so the tutu part's gonna be on the outside of the cupcake, not just on the top, and make it that look shorter. So you can open as much as you want in the middle, and you can make it very thin to make it longer or smaller, depends. I like to make one longer, one smaller, one longer, one small, to give a little texture on the sides. You can fold it, open up a little bit just to give that skirt even more like appearance of a skirt, like a tutu full skirt, like a princess or a ballerina. So we have all of them there. You can see I use 4. And now with the half a heart that we have, you're gonna get the smaller size of the same cutter, and we're just gonna mark as if it was the top part of the dress. You can make any detail, any forms, write a letter, write a number, put as many details as you want. I'm just gonna open a little snake and flatten out in white to pretend that's a little belt, between the skirt and the top part of the dress. I'm gonna cut the excess and diagonal just to make look like an end. When you put on the top of the cupcakes, you can put pearls, you can make little drawings, you can do whatever your heart desires or your party matches. And I'm just gonna use the rolling pin to hold it in the circle shaping too. I make just little polka dots, flowers, or any detail you want. I always place in the rolling pin because it doesn't lose the shape. And we can use those little edible pearls. Then you can find at Walmart or Michael's or anything, and it looks very fancy. You can make in black, gold, depends on the age of the birthday girl. And then you're gonna place right there in the middle where that little indentation that you made it with our fingers is. So we covered that. And now I'm going to show you how to make a very, very, very easy and fast little bow. You make 2 teardrop shapes and you push in the middle a little bit. We're going to mark the center on both sides. And you can mark the tool, you can mark a toothpick, you can make one of the sides a little lower like I'm showing you now, so it makes even more, you know, details, but just marking at the center is pretty easy. So we turn that around and we put the two little bottom of the teardrop together. You can just leave it like that, or you can make a little tiny ball and put it in the center, or a line, you know, or a little snake, whatever you want to do. Since it's a cupcake, it's just a little, actually I use that as a candle, a fake candle I left on the cupcake. And I place the dress, and then I will place the candle on top. So you can even make that for the birthday girl, so she can hold it and sing happy birthday. You can fix all the layers of the dress to even give a little pop and make it very fluffy. And you can use just like that if it's a real cupcake. And if you wanted to make candle, you can just place a pretty candle right there. I got that at the dollar store. Gonna leave the link below as well for you guys. And that's it. It's a super cute cupcake or princess or ballerina. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel yet if you haven't, and give me thumbs up on this video. I will talk to you guys pretty soon in my next video. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.